It's portable, it's truly an all-in-one, and the built-in battery gives you around 6 to 9 hours without having to plug it in. The touchscreen. Hey, welcome back to the video. Today we are reviewing a 32-inch monitor that's not only just a monitor, but also a touchscreen, a TV, a presentation display, and a portable entertainment hub, all in one. And yes, you can literally roll it anywhere in your house. As a videographer, my setup can sometimes change every single day. And so one moment I might be reviewing footage with a client, and then the next I'm helping my wife plan a family presentation. And sometimes I'm even the designated kid entertainer. And that's where the Kefeya G2 fits right in. It's a screen I can take anywhere and use for almost any scenario. Right out of the box, the build quality is solid. With its 32-inch 1080p IPS and a 10-point touch with the Android 13 software, including 6 gigabytes of RAM and 128 gigs of storage, featuring its rolling base with silent wheels. It's like someone took a TV, a monitor, and a giant tablet and merged them all into one. All right, so here's where things get fun. When it comes to the entertainment portion and me doing my first test run of babysitting, I ended up rolling out the G2 to the living room, opening up some gaming apps, and boom, I was an instant S-tier babysitter on the rankings. Then when it came to work, I ended up plugging my camera and used it to review a client's project on a big bright screen to showcase more details of the footage that we captured. Even my wife found a use for the G2 monitor. She ended up doing a family presentation and it felt like something you would see out of a meeting room, except with this one, you can roll it right into the closet after you're done with your presentation. And another key feature that I enjoyed about the Kefeya G2 monitor is the diversity. I no longer have to be locked into my main editing setup. I can go into the living room or other spaces, just simply connect to the monitor with my laptop and get work done in other environments, which is a huge win on my end. Now we go into the pros and the cons. Pros, it's portable, it's truly an all-in-one, and the built-in battery gives you around 6 to 9 hours without having to plug it in. The touchscreen is responsive and you get your HDMI, USB-C, and a wireless casting as well. But the considerations here, it is 1080p on a 32-inch. So if you're a pixel snob, you'll definitely notice the pixels. Brightness is good indoors, but not great in direct sunlight. So just be mindful of your area and environment. And another one, the price, it is not cheap, coming in at around $800, and you can possibly find it for the $700. It's gonna be best for people who actually use the mobility feature and the whole diversity features it comes with as well. The Kefeya G2 is one of those products that you can't really explain until you have it and you're using it in these daily tasks. If you need a big screen that moves with you for work, family, or even keeping the kids entertained, this thing is going to make a lot of sense in your home. If you just want a monitor that stays in one place, there's gonna be better options on the market for you. Now, my question to the viewers is, how would you use the Kefeya G2 monitor in your workflow? Let me know in the comments down below. And if you found this video helpful, hit that like and subscribe button, and I will catch you all on the next video. Stay intentional. Peace.